We'll just quickly talk about the technology space and the big headlines coming out of there. Cognizant, that's also an IT services company, but not listed here, though they are planning a dual listing sometime in the near medium-term future. They came out with the numbers, and the calendar year 26 guidance surprised the street. It came in at 4 to 6.5%, and the stock closed up in the green with a gain of about 3%. So that is positive. But separately, in NASDAQ, the selling continued for the second day in a row. Even yesterday, NASDAQ was down 1.5%. And the problem here were the chip stocks. So AMD plummeted nearly 17% after their Q1 guidance disappointed the street. And along with AMD, even the rest of the semiconductor stocks were weak in trade. So Micron selling off 10%, Applied Materials, Broadcom, also under pressure. In fact, you're seeing weakness in Kospi as well today. Just separately, Kospi is down nearly 3.5%. So this entire pack is under pressure. But Alphabet is now a $400 billion giant in terms of revenues. And across the board, good numbers. Search revenues, where the street was fearing that ChatGPT, etc., will eat into the traditional search revenue. That went up 17%. Cloud has come back, beating peers, 48% growth. And plus, the big war chest for capex. The company has doubled the capex guidance. But finally, back home in India, yesterday we had a big rout in capital name IT stocks. Stocks were down 6.5% at the index level. Jefferies says that Anthropic's plugins are a threat to Indian IT. They're saying these AI agents can target Indian IT's application services, which is about 40 to 70% of Indian IT companies' revenues. And therefore, current consensus growth does not factor in this revenue erosion. So there is a possibility of a downside risk to IT valuations, and their stance is selective. But